The constitutional deadline for passage of a state budget is June 15th, just 3 weeks away, and there are many issues yet to be resolved. One of the big ones has to do with whether California should join the crusade, it's kind of a national campaign, to expand what's called pre-kindergarten and also child care, early childhood education, particularly for poor children who do so poorly in school later in years. There's a big effort underway in the legislature to do it. The Senate President Pro Tem Darrell Steinberg has made it the crowning goal of his last year in office, and the Women's Caucus in the legislature has gotten behind the idea of expanding child care and also pre-kindergarten for 4-year-olds. The problem with it is it costs a lot of money. Although Darrell Steinberg this week scaled back his plan somewhat, it's still a very expensive thing to do, to hire the teachers and have the spaces for kids to enter these programs. And the governor, Jerry Brown, has been a little bit leery about doing that. He's kind of leery about going into new entitlements that would cost a lot of money down the road. And so he stands on one side, and the legislature, at least the Democrats in the legislature, stand on the other side. And how it will come out? Well, no one really knows.